Hello, everyone. This is Patrick from the Drum Pass Studios. And today I want you to meet my colleague, Seth.
Hello, everyone.
How are you, man?
Doing good. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. Today we prepared something really nice for this lesson. We're gonna work on something we call independence. We are going to fix, for example, our hands in a rhythm and variate our bass drum hits. You'll understand that more with the first exercise. Okay, let's start with the first exercise. We are going to count to 4. On every beat, I want you to play with your right hand on the hi-hat cymbals. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. And it will stay the same during the whole exercise. So 1, 2, 3, 4. We fix it. 1, 2, 3, 4. I want you on the third beat to play with your left hand stick on the snare, okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. As well, we fix our left hand on every third beat. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the fixed parts of this exercise are our right hand and left hand. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we want you to variate your bass drum hits. Let's start with playing a bass drum on the first beat. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now move your bass drum to the second beat. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Move the bass drum to the third beat. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, as you can see in this one, we're playing hi-hat, snare, and bass drum on the third beat at the same time. We're gonna repeat it one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Move the bass drum to the fourth beat. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's try to play it with the metronome. Let's do something more fun. Maybe you'll tell me what to play during the exercise. So you say play the bass on 1. I'll keep on playing the bass on 1 until you say 2, for example. I move to the second
All
one.
right.
Okay?
Let's try.
Without stopping. Deal?
All right.
Let's do it. So let's try to play it on 60,
All right.
60 BPM. Let's do it. 2, 3, 4.
Let's play it on
1,
the first.
2, 3, 4. 1, 2.
Now the fourth.
Okay.
Second. Third. First. Fourth.
Okay.
Nice.
Not
Good
bad,
job.
not
Good
bad.
job. Good job.
Let's spice things up, okay? Maybe let's try it on 90 BPM.
All right.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Fourth.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Second.
1, 2, 3, 4.
First.
1, 2, 3,
Second.
4. 1, 2, 3,
And
4.
third.
1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's try to play it on 120.
Are you sure?
Yeah, 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 of course.
Positive.
Yeah, man.
All right. Let's mix things up. Let's start it on the fourth.
Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4.
First.
Now. Oh.
Second. Third. Fourth. First.
Okay, now. 2,
Second. And fourth.
Ah, 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Okay. What's next?
No bass.
Easy.
One, two, three, four.
1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, not bad.
Now doubles.
Nah. Now let's try the last one on 200 BPM. 1, 2, 3, 4.
First. Fourth.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Third. First. Fourth. Second. I give up.
So 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. 2, 4. Okay, perfect.
You're making it look so easy.
Yeah,
As if
but
it's
trust
nothing.
me, it is. It's not hard. So everyone can do this. One more thing, by the way, you can add as much bass hits as you want. You can play 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 4, 1 to 4, for example. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're done with the first independence exercise. Let's move to the second one. In the second one, let's fix the hi-hat hits and the bass drum hits, and we'll variate the left hand snare hits. So let's count to 4 again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Playing hi-hat on every beat. 3, 4. I want you to play the bass drum on beat 1 all the time. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so for this rhythm, we fix the hi-hat and the bass. Let's start with playing the snare on beat 1. It will sound like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. On 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna play it a bit slower. 1, 2, 3, 4. Playing the snare on the third hit. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's play it with the metronome.
All right, 60 beats per minute.
We can start it at 80 if you want. Not bad. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Where do you want me to play the snare hits?
4.
2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3,
Second.
3.
First.
2, 3, 4. 2,
First and second.
4. Okay.
1, 4.
1, 2, 3. Let's try to play it on 120.
Let's start with 1 and 4.
1, 2, 3.
2.
3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
2, 3.
2, 3, 4. 1, 3, 4.
1, 3.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
And 4.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 4.
Just 4.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3,
2,
1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4.
and I
1,
give up.
2, 3, 4. Okay, let's try to play it on 200 BPM.
Are you ready?
Yeah, of course, man. 200 BPM, not 2000. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4.
1, 3, 4,
1, 2, 3,
4, 1,
2, 3.
2, 3,
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
3, 4.
3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Well, man, it was a bit harder than expected. I think that's all for this lesson. What do you think?
I think it was great.
Yeah, me too. Okay, so let's do a small recap. For you to practice it at home, start with the bass drum variations. Play the rhythm on very slow tempo so that you can start the exercise. And after you feel confident about it, move to 50 or 45, 5 beats after 5 beats per minute. Don't try to play 40, then 50, then 60, then 70. Try to move 5 beats per minute after 5 beats per minute, okay? Until maybe you reach 100, 150, as much as you can, okay? Don't feel like you're obliged to play it with a metronome of 200 BPM, okay? So, and after finishing with the bass drum, you can do the same with the snare drum. And that was all for this lesson. Do you have any tips for the students?
Yeah, definitely.
Yes.
I have one tip.
Okay, which is?
Whenever they exercise,
Okay.
they shouldn't forget to have fun on the drums.
Okay, yeah, of course. Always have fun when playing the drums. And we'll see you in the next one.
See you guys.
Bye.
Don't forget to like and drop your thoughts and requests in the comments below. And make sure to subscribe so we can keep the drums community growing.